Welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. We're here at Spotify Camp Nou with elevated perspectives revealing progress across multiple sectors. Windy conditions are present today, but construction activity remains strong throughout the site. These vantage points allow observation of upper cantilever work, interior zones, and the full scope of slat installation advancement that's difficult to see from standard viewing angles. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's completely free and helps us grow. Let's dive into today's progress around the stadium. Starting with the corner slat installation zones, both completed sectors remain finished, with the left sector showing strong progress on lower false ceiling slats. The orange crane is positioning new slats in the rear section. The front section shows workers applying white material with trowels as tensioning cables are partially installed. Additional slats aren't visibly staged nearby. The elevator structure shows sandwich panels reaching the top level, with only one panel remaining on the front section. Upper sections show workers operating a small crane holding a suspended piece. The adjacent glazed section shows glass panels installed, with upper sections still awaiting rock wool insulation. The lateral section shows the left structure reaching bracket level, with only upper sections remaining, while the right structure has concrete panels installed in lower areas with sandwich panels pending. Upper sections reveal two new scaffolding towers erected between radial beams for counterweight falange installation, not additional radial beams, as the central lateral zone is complete. Future radial beams will continue toward the south and north goal extremities. The fifth compression ring pillar remains staged alongside two original counterweights, with a second new pillar positioned in the far corner, meaning two pillars are ready for installation. A worker carrying a troweling board suggests floor finishing is underway. Tube installations through panels continue, sparking LED integration speculation. Waterproofing has resumed in the corner, and bracket zones are prepared for anchor installation. Before we continue, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds if you haven't already. It's completely free and helps us bring you these daily construction updates. Now let's keep exploring the progress around the stadium. Lower south goal sections show elevated platforms and a crane positioning diagonal bracing pieces. The missing support bracket from the previous update has now been installed, completing this support line, with equipment staged suggesting installation may occur today. An elevated platform shows a worker applying protective anti-corrosive coating to beams using a spraying mechanism for long-term steel protection. At the north goal area, a heavily loaded truck has arrived carrying rock wool insulation and 5 compression ring components. Corner bracket zones show scaffolding and supports awaiting anchor installation. The central section shows workers organizing, and block wall painting is complete in black. Both elevator staircase structures remain advanced, with exterior beams in place. Concrete panels are staged, and the structures appear ready for sandwich panel installation. The north goal corner continues progressing. A fourth level of chrome tubes is being installed, extending the service routing system. Additional tubes remain staged despite windy conditions. Connection brackets are installed on central and right beams, with the left beam still pending. At the Tribuna section, the official store diamond now shows both corner glass panels installed. Previously empty positions are sealed. The cafeteria diamond also shows both corner glass panels installed, marking a major milestone. Only upper door panels remain pending above each entrance door. Workers below use hydraulic hammers to chip concrete in sections. The elevator shaft structures show continued worker activity in interior zones. Concrete panels remain staged, awaiting installation. Interior zones show welding sparks visible from workers modifying beam sections. That's today's update from Camp Nou. Both diamond corner glass panels installed, 4th chrome tube level advancing, 5th compression ring pillar staged with new components arriving, diagonal bracing progressing, waterproofing resuming, and missing support bracket installed. Sandwich panels nearing completion, with slat installation continuing. Thank you for watching MegaVerse Builds. Subscribe for daily updates and hit that like button. See you tomorrow with another construction progress report.